So here it is, you guys. '06 Lexus GS300. Just having some misfire codes, running lean. Pull 2 spark plugs. This is, I think this is bank 2. This is cylinder number 2. This is pretty bad. I mean, look at that. Man, I'm pretty sure these have never been changed. I'm not sure if these are the original spark plugs, but everything was pretty mint. All the little things, the little press-on buttons were where they should be. It looked like nobody ever maintained it. Everything looks untouched, stock, original, just the way I like it. Whoa, you see it mounted on the engine. So anyways, these are spark plugs. I'm not sure if you can see that. This was one of them. Pretty bad shape. Putting out the second one. Let's see. That was pretty bad too. Look at that. Yeah. Putting out number 3 right now. Give you all the update.